how go from this to this. So first of all, you have to make your shoelace like even, and then go just like this, run it, and be careful, just go straight. The same one, keep it even, and do the same, and vice versa all the way to the top. Straight it out. Just being patient with it gonna be the key. It's very easy. It's not very complicated. Same right here, just like so. I'm just keeping it straight, making it as straight as possible, because when you go all the way up, it's gonna be very tough to get the curves out. So just watch it, and so on. And the last ones, just go like this and tie them. Looks like I forgot how to tie. Okay. So let me know how do you like it, and hopefully it can help you guys. See you next. And how they look like. So you guys let me know how do you like it. Actually, I'm pretty fascinated with this design.